Good morning, everyone. Today is 14th October 2021. Let's see today market analysis. Right now, we are on the screen of Dow Jones Index. Let's see Dow Jones Index, how this is performing. Dow Jones Index, you can see this support tested and very quick upside move. That means it is very, very strong support, right? And exactly it hit our resistance line, whatever we drawn in yesterday. Okay, you can see this, right? So Dow Jones Index respect that level and try to stop there. And before that also it tried to move off and retested again in support line. And how I draw the support line, it's very clear. You can see this on screen. Okay. So next, what move will be possible? It's looking very strong in upper side. If it try to break this level, then it will move further, and from this level to this level, very super fast movement. Okay, this is going to be very super fast movement because there is no such resistance. Not my words, my dear friend. You can check Dow Jones, the US 30 index. After breaking of this level, it's going to fire up very quickly and try to hit this level. Okay, because there is no such resistance here. Okay, or if it want to fall down, then it definitely we can take a trade below this channel. Right now a channel created below this channel, we can take a trade, right? If we want to take a sell trade with a stop loss of this high, and target will become this level. Otherwise, if we try to break this level, we can go for buy side with yellow line will be stop loss and target line will be this one. Okay, this is US 30. Next, move to the Nifty index. In Nifty index, this is the beauty of support and resistance. Okay, we are not using any single indicator, still able to find good trades. You can see here, this is yesterday strong resistance, right? Okay, strong resistance, and after that market sustain above this resistance for minimum 30 minute. After that it started moving off slightly, and finally hit the required resistance level. Exactly, it hit our resistance and try to fall down from this level. Okay, you can see I am just sharing yesterday video. You can see here, you can see this is our yesterday analysis. On the screen you can see Nifty, this is Nifty chart, and this is 18,193 is our level we draw. Okay, right? So ये हम लोग ड्रॉ किए थे. You can see that 193 का level, and exactly you can see what happened, right? It exactly hit that level and fall down from there. That means if you are getting any opportunity from support, then you have to keep patience. Okay, you have to keep patience, because every time stock price move from one support to one resistance, this is important learning factor. Okay, so what will be move today? Once again it's going to break this level, and the price is going to open around this 250 to 280 level, even more. Okay, opening should be at gap up definitely. And what is the main reason why market is going up and up and up from last continuous 5 days? If you watch this closely, you can see this continuous up. What the reason? The reason behind this is, first of all, is technically is trading as all-time high, and second, there is a long fundamental effects, like PM Gati Shakti Yojana introduced. You know, this is one of the biggest platform till now, because every connectivity project will develop through that system. Okay, and as for the planning, India is growing fast, right? Working on manufacturing unit, working on employability, and lot more, right? So this activity performed by the government or activity platform, and whatever the planning execution going on through government, central government, state government, every people having a trust India will become a powerful country and globally recognized country and economically going to be very, very powerful. So this vision, every people thinking stock market will go up, right? Stock market definitely with system will grow, country will grow only when stock price will grow, because more money they collect, then they can invest in lot of new projects, right? So this is a part of our life also. So for this fundamental reason, it's going up and off and off, offs, okay, non-stop off moves है. So कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं, इतना ऊपर गया है मार्केट गिर सकता है, नॉट लाइक दैट, मे बी माइनर करेक्शन तो ले सकता है, बट ये ऑफर जाने का बहुत ही फंडामेंटल न्यूज है. इंडिया जिस दिशा में गति कर रहा है और पीएम मोदी का जो लॉन्चेस हो रहा है नया नया चीज, इसकी वजह से ही डेफिनेटली ऊपर जा रहा है. ओके, सो निफ्टी गैप अप में तो डेफिनेटली ओपन होगा. इसके बाद वी कैन वेट फॉर अगेन दिस लेवल फॉर एक्ट एज सपोर्ट. ओके, डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं हमें स्कोप देता है, वो हमें स्कोप देगा, उसका फायदा लेना है आपको, राइट? तो यहाँ पे रिटेस्ट कर सकता है, ऊपर की साइड से पूरा ओपन है, कहाँ तक भी जा सकता है. इट सीम्स लाइक 18500 फिगर विल हिट इन फ्यू डेज, राइट? In Bank Nifty, same situation, same scenario. It's already retested again support line, and now it will try to break this level 30,781. And today is going to open at gap up definitely. ये गैप अप में ओपन होने के बाद इस हिस्टोरिकल लेवल 39,000 लेवल, it will try to hit this level. Even price is going to open around this level, right? So then very very strong, very strong bullish sign showing in every index, right? You can see this is a scenario from last 10 days, it's performing sharp off trend. Okay, you can see this is a very sharp off trend, and this is the way it want to follow. Okay, all right. So this is showing something positive institutional fundamental effects, right? Continuous growth, and there is not the limit right now. We can see lot more, right? We can see lot more. Okay, that's it for today. Stay tuned for new update and new videos.